Hi everyone, welcome to Box of Celia.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
So firstly, people say that comedy is a very difficult genre to pull off on screen. What are your thoughts on that? Kiku, you have done comedy before. Yes, you've been known for your comedy skills. So how was it bringing to the digital screen, and how was it for you all to try it?
You want to
Try it.
Let it first.
So I'll start. This was very daunting. Firstly, it was comedy my first time, though I've done web series before, but this was my first comedy. And then you get people like them next to you and Chunky. It was very daunting, but I think they're such incredible actors that all you have to do is listen and react, and you come out looking good. So
for me, it is my first acting stint ever, and when I got to know it's with them, I said, I'm not doing this. I'm not making a fool out of myself. But I must tell you, these guys, they were very patient. I think their energy is very.
They were not patient in the end. They were damn good because they were pretty natural in front of the camera. So ऐसा कुछ उनको beginning में of course they were a little nervous, both Shefali and Manasi. But I think in like an hour's time they were both.
But the credit goes to you guys because I mean you guys got us that comfortable, and you know the content is very naughty. It was very easy for us to get very uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But the whole
considering the first scene was on the bed.
Yes, you know.
I saw the first three.
Yeah.
Exactly.
So and a lot of credit goes to our director Farhad Sanji also, you know, because माहौल बहुत अच्छा बना था, and ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था, you know, and it was not uncomfortable or like awkward or anything at all, and I think the energy on the set was great. So I think we weren't, I didn't feel like I was acting or anything. We just went with the flow, like she said. It was just reacting to things and
also ये भी बात है कि बहुत ही उम्दा कलाकार हैं दोनों, and to give us the time for rehearsals. I remember I had a 5-page scene with Kiku. And I died, but he was literally so patient. जितनी हम लोगों ने at least 10-12 बारी रिहर्सल की थी उस सीन की, and then वो first take में पूरा scene was done. Even I was shocked that I managed to do it with him. You know, I was just reacting. So it was really nice with both of you. Very comfortable. She's right.
And there are very few shows or sets where you really feel comfortable and happy working.
Yeah.
So this was definitely touchwood one of those. Not because we're sitting here and talking about it.
Full credit to Paritosh and
जब खत्म हुआ तो वाकई में हम लोग को लगा और 2-4 दिन शूट होता है ना तो मजा आ
because सुबह से रात कैसे हो जाती थी पता ही नहीं चलता था, you know.
Great time shoot.
Yeah.
Mad fun.
We had a lot of fun. We had too much fun. So basically, I think starting from Farhad, who was directing it and written it also. So he had so much clarity in his head because he exactly knew कि कहाँ क्या कितना जोक किधर पंच मार के हमें यहाँ पे खत्म करना है, इसके आगे नहीं बढ़ना है. मतलब every scene we sat around, we discussed. तो अगर improvisations भी हैं तो हम साथ में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं और फिर शूट करने जाते हैं. तो द आइडिया दैट एवरीवनस ऑन द सेम पेज. प्रॉब्लम तब होता है जब आपका नजरिया कुछ और है, डायरेक्टर का अलग है, को एक्टर का अलग है, लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारा वो वैसा कुछ था ही नहीं. हम सब एक पेज पे ही थे, साथ में ही थे, साथ में ही डिस्कस करते थे. आइडिया आया, बताया, सुना, उन्होंने बताया, डिस्कस किया. अगर अप्लाई करने लायक लगा तो अप्लाई हो गया, नहीं तो नहीं. So I think that's a good environment. When the environment is nice, the product automatically turns out to be nice because you're in a happy space working.
It was actually pretty hectic. The shoot was not a very easy shoot.
Especially for him with 3 get-ups was like insane.
Yeah, it was pretty hectic. But ऐसा लगता नहीं था. मतलब सुबह से like she said कब रात हो जाती थी, अरे अभी हो गया, चलो पैकअप टाइम. तो और भी we would have shot for like
but एक problem थी, and I think Chunky faced it most. I luckily survived. They're so funny. एक बारी हंसी शुरू हो गई थी ना set पे. That I mean I had to literally go. I had to get my makeup artist to tell me something really sad and then come back and be fine, you know. And Chunky एक बारी शुरू हो जाते set पे मेरे को एक बारी I experienced that. He just didn't stop laughing. I said, Chunky, just put your face away from me. Just don't. So yeah.
You know, Chunky was supposed to be Maharashtrian. He is anything but Maharashtrian.
There was a.
So he is Nepali, he is Arabi, he is Italian. He is anything.
Sindhi, everything.
Arey Baba, anything. You actually get on to any zone.
But he's so natural. Like he can just launch into a monologue with different accents.
Chunky's face. That's just you just need that face.
The best quality about him is that he's so endearing.
Yeah.
He's got this very childlike quality about him that is so endearing. कि वो कुछ भी करता है तो आपको अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
So how did you all come on board for this, and what made you say yes to this?
A lot of money.
Really? Well, it was really strange. Actually, it's very rare that this happens in the industry, but this role, Paritosh is very close friends with Shweta Gulati, who's another actress in the field, and I think it's the first time I've experienced somebody push another actress for a role, and she's called Paritosh and said, this is the girl, and then Paritosh has fought for me, and then I met the crew. I literally asked them, like, when I met her the first day, I said, you're doing this? What are we doing? Is it a look test? Is it I had no clue. I was just brought into it like a hurricane. I think I was the last person to be finalized, and thanks to Shweta.
We actually met you on the set only.
So I think I was the last interesting, but I think everybody was happy with it.
Yeah, absolutely. I dare not say anything else right now.
Yeah,
but no.
Don't.
But no, I guess I probably was the first one to get on board. And when Paritosh, I had seen the play earlier. So obviously when Paritosh told me that this is what we're planning to do, and Farhad is going to be writing and directing it, so I was very happy with the whole setup. And a platform like called Balaji, which that really stands by their products and they're completely convinced about it. So I was really happy that the whole setup was really nice. And then they told me that Kiku is going to be on board. That time, in fact, when they approached me, the girls weren't finalized. But they said, we're looking at Chunky, you and Kiku, and 2 girls. So I had, as it is, I had fallen in love with the play. And considering Farhad was writing and directing it, there was no way I would have said no to this one.
Me, I never thought I would be acting. I was so comfortable with dancing. That was my comfort zone. But past year or so, I just thought it was too monotonous, and I just wanted to do something different and grow. And it was my New Year's resolution for the year 2018. Come on, step out of your comfort zone. And just when I had prepared myself mentally, I got a call for Baby Come Now. And like he said, it is based on Paritosh Painter's play, and I had coincidentally seen the play, and it is an outstanding play. I remember how funny it was, and I said, this is really cool. And then he told me that Shreyas and Kiku are on board. That time Chunky wasn't finalized, and of course it was with Alt Balaji, it's one of the largest content providers in the country. And Farhad sir directing it. For me it was a dream debut. There was no way I could say no to it. So this is how it happened, and I'm so grateful that it happened this way.
Yeah, for me also pretty much. So bata diya that if the people on board, makes the largest difference. Apart from that, I was doing a show called Partners, जो मैं परितोष के लिए गया. परितोष ने प्रोड्यूस किया था वो शो. तो मैं तो खाली इस बात से चिंतित था कि भाई अगर हम निकल के ये भी करेंगे तो मैं वो डेली शो है वो कैसे मैनेज करूँगा. The best thing is that when the producer is the same, then you don't have to worry about it. यहाँ से उठा के यहाँ, वहाँ से उठा के वहाँ, कैसे मैनेज करना है वो प्रोड्यूसर का प्रॉब्लम है. So luckily Paritosh was involved in both the products, so that made it easy. Apart from that, the first narration that I came for, I was already on board, knowing that these people are on board. But I must say that the first narration that I heard with Farhad narrating it in that office.
और तब he was fasting.
He was
fasting also. तब उन्होंने रोजे रखे थे, and उन्होंने हर कैरेक्टर का ब्रीफ.
उन्होंने हर कैरेक्टर का लाइन्स उस कैरेक्टर की तरह बोला पहले तो, और उसके बाद वो रिएक्शन भी बोलते थे कि इसने ये लाइन बोले ढम ढुम ढुम, ये रिएक्शन भी मुंह से निकलता था. ऐसे इतना क्लैरिटी में कोई कैसे दिखा सकता है कोई चीज को. लिटरली while he was reading it, I saw it made. So it was it was amazing. So I think that तो I was floored that this guy knows his job so bloody well. It's so impressive.
That is a treat in itself. Farhad का narration.
मेरी थोड़ी क्लास
वगैरह का भी narration करता है. It's a treat in itself.
मेरी थोड़ी क्लास ली थी Farhad sir ने actually, because I was the last person and Paritosh had got me on board for this. तो जब मैंने भी सुना पूरी narration ऐसे सुनी थी, and then when he reached my part, now you act. So I just said okay sir and all. So then he listened. I could see his expression change because he had just decided ये पता नहीं अंग्रेजी लड़की कहाँ से आ गई है मेरी स्क्रिप्ट के अंदर मेरे को दे दी है. हाँ, you can act. So I said yeah sir. That's why now you say it like this, and I picked up very. So then he told me after the whole meeting's over, yeah, I'm very happy you can act. Now you can do the show.